Good morning, Lapasenyan. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. On behalf of Lapasenyan ako, officers and members, kami po ay bumabati sa inyo ng maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon. Okay? Para po sa lahat ng Lapasenyan, okay? Saan man kayo naroroon sa labas man ng bansa, okay, o labas ng lapas, okay, nasa Pilipinas man kayo o nasa lapas man po kayo, kami pinabati po namin kayo ng maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon. Okay, so sa mga taga from north to south, okay, ng lapas, okay, Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Hindi po tayo nakapag-live kahapon, okay? Napuyat tayo, kaya natulog po tayo, okay? So, shout out po, okay? Merry Christmas din sa mga beneficiaries natin, okay? Beneficiaries ng bibi, manok, okay? Ng kambing at saka rabbit, okay? So from Guevara, si Ma'am Clarissa, si Sir Popoy ng Karamutan, okay? Si Ma'am No Name at Ma'am Gemma ng San Roque, okay? Sina Mr. and Mrs. Gabriel sa Balanoy, sino pa? Si Sir Ruel sa Comillas at sina Ma'am Apple and family sa Kaud. Okay? So yan po yung mga beneficiaries natin, okay? Ng rabbit, manok, kambing at bibi, okay? So shout out din sa ating mga members, okay? Shout out din sa ating mga nanalo, okay? Yung mga nanalo noong raffle draw natin, okay? Kaya lang po may mga hindi daw naka-claim ng lechong manok. Of course, it was reported to me na medyo mga nasira yung mga hindi na-claim, okay? So it's very sad na hindi na-claim at nasira lang, okay? Alam po naman natin na masisira yun kasi luto, tapos syempre the next day masisira yun, okay? So it's sad na merong few na hindi naka-claim, okay? We don't know the reason, okay? Kaya lang sayang, okay? So actually bayad na po natin yon, okay? At bayad natin yon earlier, okay? Kaya lang nasayang lang dahil nasira, okay? Anyway, maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsor that time, okay? At nakapagbigay tayo ng konting kasiyahan sa ating mga kababayan, okay? So shout out ko lang yung mga sponsors natin in that raffle draw, si Ma'am Lin Chico, si Ma'am Giao of Matemtem, Lin Chico of Kapanikian, okay? Si Doc Keng Alonso of Duruplac, okay? Si Ma'am Lakyan of San Roque ba yun? Okay. Si Ma'am Ampiang of Guevara, si Ma'am Susan of Lara, okay? Sino pa? Si Sir Well of Comillas, and sino pa? Si Jean Jose of Kapanikian. Okay, so maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sino pa ba ang mga sponsors natin? Meron ba akong si Ma'am Mylene Manalili from Duruplac din, okay? Yan, so Merry Christmas po and Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Okay, just a simple year-end report from me para sa ating grupo Lapasenyan ako. Okay? In the early 2020, we started this group. Actually, this group has been there since, if I'm not mistaken, 2010, 2011, ganyan. Inactivate ko na itong grupo na ito. However, dahil ginawa ko lang siyang hobby. Hindi, from time to time nag-post ako, siguro madalang, napakadalang, okay? And that time napakakonti lang po ng membership natin. Siguro ang membership lang natin that time is if I'm not mistaken 600 plus, okay? 600 plus membership, okay? 2010 to 2020, ganun lang kadami yung membership natin that time, okay? And then the pandemic came, okay? At tapos napag-isip-isip ko na i-activate na muli at gawing very active ang Lapaseñan Ako at gawing platform para sa pagtulong natin sa ating mga kababayan during pandemic. And it was accepted by the Lapaseñans, okay? So from 600 plus memberships sa FB group natin, we now have 6,600 plus membership, okay? So it's 1,000 times increase. All right, so during that pandemic, okay, nung nag-start tayo, we managed to na makakuha ng mga donors, sponsors para sa ibibigay nating mga relief sa ating mga kababayan. And it so happened na nakarami rin tayong sponsors, okay? And thank you for those sponsors, especially from Brunei, whom we get the major donors, okay? And then our kababayans sa US, sa Canada, okay, overseas, to be in general, okay? Ganun din yung mga kababayan natin dyan sa La Paz, okay, na nagbigay din during that time, okay? So nakapagbigay po tayo ng although hindi natin nabigyan lahat ng lahat ang buong La Paz, okay, but ang mga nabigyan nating mga barangay ay from Mayang, Mataim Tayom, Lumboy, Durplak, Kapanikyan, La Purisima, Ivara, Makalong, Lara, and Karamutan, at saka San Roque and Lawang Kupang, okay? We apologize po sa sa mga hindi nabigyan na barangay that time, okay? Kasi during the time na open na yung lockdown, okay? So akala namin na tuloy na magbubukas, okay? So we stopped the campaign and yun nga lang po ang nabigyan namin, okay? So if I'm not mistaken, per barangay nasa minimum 200 hanggang 500 each relief, okay, ang naibigay, okay? So hindi namin nabigyan lahat sa bawat barangay, but yung mga pinili lang natin yung mga walang kakayanan, okay? Alright, so nasisilaw ko, masakit sa mata. Anyway, so that was the start of the Lapaseñan Ako being like a non-government organization na tumutulong, okay? So thank you sa mga naging officers natin, okay, sa dedication nila, okay, sa mga admin natin at sa mga coordinator natin during that pandemic, during that relief operations, okay. Hindi ko na maisa-isa sila kasi sa dami, okay? And right, sa mga admin natin, okay, ng Lapaseñan at sa mga officers, okay, napakasisipag pa nila at handang tumulong sa ating mga kababayan, okay? Ayan, so that was the start of Lapaseñan Ako being like an NGO, okay? And after the pandemic, okay, we started naman yung anong tawag to, Agribayanihan project, okay, which we now have few beneficiaries, okay. The purpose of that Agribayanihan ay para mabigyan natin ng pang-start yung mga kababayan natin into livestock farming actually, okay. So during the contract, of course, i-issuehan namin sila ng stocks, and then hati-hati sa 50-50 sa mga anak ng mga livestock, okay. So yun lang yung hanggang sa makaipon sila ng sarili lang stocks, okay, sa mga shares nila, okay, and then syempre makakuha rin ng lapasan niya ng shares, okay. At the end of the contract, kukunin na yung stock at ibibigay naman sa ibang beneficiary, okay. So with that, may maiiwan namin yung beneficiary na standalone farmer na, okay. Kasi syempre yung mga share niya, siya na ang mag-aalaga at wala sarili na niya yon, okay. Sarili na niya, wala nang share ang lapasan niyan, okay. And naging okay naman, okay. Nagkaroon lang ng konting aberya, okay. Nagkaroon lang ng konting aberya sa ating isang beneficiary, kaya medyo na-hold po ngayon ang mga approval ng application natin sa ating mga beneficiary. So ang ginagawa pansamantala ng lapasan niya na ko ngayon ay inaalagaan po muna natin sarili natin, okay. I mean, we manage ourselves, okay, yung main farm ng lapasan niyan, okay. So yung lapasan niyan po, meron po na po siyang kinikreate, okay, na main rabbit farm, okay, na nasa Lara. So ang farm manager natin dyan ay si Darwin Karaan, okay. And soon yung broiler, okay. Ikukan po natin yung broiler, okay. I-introduce natin yung broiler in that area, in that same area, okay. So sa mga nag-apply po, just wait for a few, antay-antay lang po natin, okay. Masasaan ba't mag-open pa rin tayo sa mga beneficiaries natin, and sorry for that inconveniences, okay, dahil lang sa isang tao, okay. So hindi po namin kagustuhan yon, pero we need to check then, okay, and we need to think on how we can move forward on these issues, okay. Kaya naka-hold po yung ating mga application currently, okay. Marami po tayong stock na pwedeng ibigay, pero syempre dahil nagkaroon tayo ng agam-agam as an organization, okay. So kaya ganun po. Anyway, sooner or later mag-open po ulit kami sa mga beneficiaries, okay. So ayun po yung simple year-end report ko, and of course yung application natin sa CDA, okay. So yung mga document wise na prepare na, okay. It's just a matter of revising some, okay. Kasi nga po magtatanggal kami ng some cooperators because of some issues, okay. Kasi when we say cooperators, we cooperate to each other, okay. Hindi po natin kailangan yung hindi maganda sa isang organization yung cooperative kayo tapos merong mga kontrabida, ha? Hindi cooperative yun. Okay, so when we do cooperative, dapat lahat tayo very cooperative, okay. So ayun nga po, may dalawa po tayong i-release, okay, para wala po tayong friction, okay. Ayun, so i-revise lang yung document, and then I don't know what happened now, kasi we were waiting for the additional seminar, okay? Pero we didn't manage to get information from our secretary, okay? So hintay-hintay lang po natin, more or less by January makakapag-move on na rin tayo, okay? With regards to the application ng tawag dito ng application natin sa CDA, okay? Hopefully this 2021 ay ma-approve na tayo sa CDA, ha? So that is our target, although we targeted end of 2020, but we didn't manage to do it, okay? So meron pa naman 2021 to tawag dito, to prepare, okay, and to process, okay? So yan. Ayan, so yun po yung natin on year-end report, okay? So isa pa, by the way, nanganak na yung some of the goats natin, actually isang goat, okay? Nanganak na, nagsianakan na. Yung mga rabbit nagsianakan na rin, okay? So tapos yung mga chicken hindi pa, okay? So yung mga bibe, yung mga ducks ay nagsiitlogan na rin, okay? So yan yung mga natin, yan yung mga update natin, okay? And just recently, last 23rd, okay, the last activity that we had, okay, last December 23, okay, nagkaroon po tayo ng Christmas raffle para sa mga kalapasan yan. Syempre yung mga nagpa-register lang, okay? So we did get yung mga names and barangay nung nagpa-register, and then ano to, mukhang may accident to, okay? Okay, and okay, we managed to have sponsors, okay? Meron tayong 62 consolation prizes, tapos one special prize, and the major prize first, second, third, okay? At hopefully naging masaya yung mga nanalo. Kaya lang gaya ng sabi ko earlier, may mga hindi nakakuha, hindi nakapag-claim ng lechong manok po yata, at yun po ay nasira, okay? It was reported to me na nasira yung mga boat, yung mga ordered lechong manok, okay? Kasi walang nag-claim, okay? Sayang. Alright, so yan po ang year-end report ng inyong lingkod, si Admin Jun Jose, okay? So hopefully in 2021 we will magkaroon pa tayo ng mas maraming activities and projects, okay? So our goal is to saturate La Paz, okay, sa rabbitry and the livestock, yung mga livestock na ginagawa natin, okay? So and of course magiging hindi kaya this 2020 very easy po yung approval namin, okay, ng application. This 2021 siguro we will give some effort to investigate further or to interview further yung mga applicants natin, okay, para naman sa kapakanan ng co-op, okay? Ayan, so ayan lang ang simpleng report ko po sa inyong lahat, and I hope you are all doing fine. Sa mga cooperators natin, I hope okay, so sa mga cooperators, just to report to you, wala pa po tayong income, okay? So yung dividend po natin ay wala pa, okay? So we started, we virtually started June. Kaya lang we physically started nasa July July, August, ganyan. August, September, October, November, December. So 4 months operation, okay? Within that 4 months operation, nagsianakan lang yung few rabbits and nagsianakan lang yung few kambing, okay? Natin. So yun pa lang po yung potential income na makukuha natin. So wala pa po tayong dividendo. Okay? So yan, hopefully by 2021 we can saturate lapas for rabbit, for arayar chicken, kambing at saka duck. Okay? So yan. Alright, so ang main goal po natin ay makapag-start ng makapag-start tayo ng tawag dito, dairy farm. Okay? So hopefully once we are registered, makapag-move on tayo, okay? Makapag-apply makapag-apply po tayo ng loan sa ating government agencies, okay, para makapag-loan tayo ng siguro kalabaw or baka, okay, para sa dairy farm, okay, para sa mga so in once that dairy farm is initiated, mas malaki ang kita, okay. Ngayon sa mga maliliit pa lang tayong livestock, okay. Alright, so yun po yung report ni admin, and I hope we'll be having more programs and projects in 2021, and I hope mawala na yung pandemic this 2021. Okay, so keep safe everyone, okay. Ingat-ingat lang po tayo, social distancing, para maiwasan natin ang COVID-19. Okay? So medyo mahirap po, okay? It's good to yung dito sa Brunei, it's maayos dahil halos wala na pong kwan. Ang nare-report nilang dito ay yung mga dumarating, okay? Okay, yung mga essential personnel. Alright, so kaya kung makikita nyo, hindi kami nakamaskara kasi hindi required dito, okay? Kaya lang hindi rin required, hindi rin pwedeng kumpul-kumpul ng more than 50 person, okay? So sa aking kwan, parang iisa o dadalawa o wala na ang active dito, okay? Ayan po, so it's December 26 and 5 more days and we will turning the book of 2020 and we will have a new book for 2021, okay. I wish everybody a prosperous new year, okay, and a healthy 2021, okay. Yun lang po ang dalangin natin sa Diyos, okay. Prosperous 2021, okay. Hanggat maaari walang kalamidad at mawala na yung COVID, okay, kasi medyo naapektuhan tayo mabuti sa COVID. Alright, so bago po ako magpaalam, okay, I would like to shout out yung mga masisipag nating officers, okay. Si Sir Lawrence, ang Vice President natin, Lawrence Corcuera from Guevara, okay. Ang Secretary natin si Ma'am Iris Banico, okay, from Lara. Our treasurer, Ma'am Mylene Manalili Mendoza from Duruplac, okay. Our auditor, Rodel Abad from Makalong, and our co-op manager, si Ma'am Matet, okay. And to our other officers, okay, si Marilu, si Roda, okay, si Clarissa, yung director natin, lagi ko nakakalimutan si Director Bonnie, okay. So shout out to you. Alright, so sino pa? Sino pa ba? Alam nyo, makakalimutin na ako. And shout out to all cooperators, okay? Ayan, sa lahat ng mga cooperators natin, okay? So wala akong listahan ngayon, okay? Kasi hindi ka pa napaglista, okay? Actually, nagparada lang ako ng aking sasakyan and at the same time nag-vlog na ako. Okay, just to greet you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Alright, so this is Admin Jun Joseph from Brunei Darussalam. Okay, once again, Merry Christmas to all of you, and a blessed New Year to all of you. Thank you very much. God bless you.